Today I'm going to teach you how to request edit access in Google Sheets. This is really useful when you need to collaborate on a spreadsheet but don't currently have permission to make changes. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First, you'll need to go to your browser and paste the link of the Google Sheets document you want to access. This link might have been shared with you through email, a messaging app, or any other platform. When you paste it into your browser's address bar and hit enter, the sheet will load, but you'll notice you can't make any edits yet because you don't have the right permissions. Once the sheet loads, you'll see a button that shows your current access level. This typically appears near the top right of the screen and will say something like viewer, commenter, or editor. Since you're looking to request edit access, click on this button. A small menu will appear showing you the different permission levels available. For this tutorial, we want full editing rights, so go ahead and click on Editor. This tells Google that you're specifically asking for permission to make changes to the spreadsheet. After selecting Editor, a dialog box will pop up giving you the option to include a message with your request. This message is completely optional, but it can be helpful to explain why you need edit access. For example, you might write something like, "Hi, I need to update the quarterly sales data," or "Could I please have edit access to collaborate on this project?" If you don't feel a message is necessary, you can leave this field blank. Either way, once you've made your decision, click the Request Access button to send your request. Now your request has been sent directly to the owner or the person who manages permissions for that Google Sheets document. At this point, you'll need to wait for them to approve your request. The wait time can vary depending on how quickly they check their notifications or email. Google will send them an alert letting them know you've requested access, and once they approve it, you'll receive a notification that you now have editor permissions. Then you'll be able to open the sheet again and make all the changes you need. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully requested edit access in Google Sheets and now just need to wait for approval. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.